Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something that helped me stand out as a fresher. And that is how native engineering helped me build a strong resume and a real design portfolio. Okay. Before joining, my resume was just like every other freshers, name or college or percentage or software list. It had no real projects or no real explanations. And when I applied to jobs, nobody responded. So, yes, I didn't know what was missing. But, after I joined Native, the first thing they taught over here was that your resume, it needs to show proof and not just points. It's not about just writing auto CAD, as you can see, or SolidWorks under skills. It's about showing where you used it and what you did with it. So yes, after so I started working on the real task that Native gave me. From these courses or the programs that I joined, they gave me assignments like creating technical drawings or reading client instructions and even fixing errors in design files. So all these were part of my training, and all these courses, they were very helpful. And the mentors, they told me that don't just complete your work and forget it. Save everything, organize it properly, and this is your portfolio. So I made a folder of completed tasks. I took screenshots, I added notes explaining what I learned and what mistakes I fixed and how I improved. And guess what, when I attached this with my resume and I applied to jobs, HRs noticed it. And surprisingly, one company even asked me questions directly from my portfolio. I could speak with confidence because I had done the work myself, you know. So also, I can say that the resume part was totally new for me. Like Native mentors, helped me write a proper ATS friendly format with corrected keywords, layout, and projected details. I even included tools like tolerance or material selection and GD&T, which I had used in my training. So before Native, I never got interview calls, but after updating my resume the way they showed, and attaching my portfolio, I started getting replies. So yes, I can say Native didn't just teach me tools, they helped me present my work in the right way, so companies could trust me even as a fresher. Okay, thank you.